It's a bit tricky to figure out how these things are installed, but we finally figured them out. This is the passenger side. We're gonna show you now how we're going to do the driver's side. As told in the lousy instructions that come with the package, you lay the piece as in the diagram in the small paper that they have in the package. Here it is. We've just put it on the car, and then we're gonna show you how we're gonna do it. Okay, we're gonna zip it. Just make sure you're not covering the screws or the thingies where the hard top comes. Okay, we've zipped it. Now we close the Velcro to secure it. There it is. So now we align this here. We pull this part, bring it all the way here where we can secure it in Velcro. Okay, and now okay, all done. Now as you can see, we have laid the rear part on the rear roll bar in this way, and then started to zip this and then secure it with the Velcro. This is how it should look, you see. Let me bring it closer. And now we're gonna secure it. Now this is the tricky part. Before you secure this Velcro, you have to zip these two together. We'll do it now. Now we'll do the other side. Okay. That's the tricky part here. This one's a little difficult, but you can manage because you have to tighten it. خلاص. Now we need to finish zipping this up. All the way